Hello everyone, today we will learn the tricks of the 18 times table. Before going through the tricks, let's review the 18 times table. 18 times 1 is 18. 18 times 2 is 36. 18 times 3 is 54. 18 times 4 is 72. 18 times 5 is 90. 18 times 6 is 108. 18 times 7 is 126. 18 times 8 is 144. 18 times 9 is 162. And finally, 18 times 10 is 180. Now, let's go through the trick. At first, what we all have to do is write down the even numbers from 8 to 0 in descending order for one's digit. That is 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0. And next repeat it once more in the same order. That is 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0. Then, for the tens digit, write down the first 5 odd numbers in ascending order. So, we get 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And for the next, write down the next 5 even numbers in ascending order. So, here we have 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. That's it. Yes, that's it. The work is done. Now, take a look. Here is your 18 times table is ready. By using this method, you can easily memorize the 18 times table. Practice it in pen and paper. It's a simple and effective learning method. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our mockstation channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss our new videos. You can also access our new video created on the 19 times table by clicking on this link. Thank you again and see you in the next video. Have a great day.